Hi, I'm Jochen Pechak. I'm a periodontist in Monterey Sunnyvale, California. I had experience with a patient with unexplained two failed implants, no major medical issues, and the third attempt, the patient was tested for vitamin D deficiency, and so that was confirmed, and without further interventions, we put the patient on DentMedica for 6 weeks, and the third attempt, the implant took no problem, and I'm not sure if the vitamin D deficiency was the ultimate cause of the previous failures, but clinically, the clinical outcome was perfect using the DentaMedica.